Hello and welcome to Sonia's cookbook. Today we are making iced tea, which is a very refreshing drink for summer. So if you are a fan of tea, this is a perfect drink for you. So let's note the ingredients. So all we'll need is 3 cups of boiling water, a teaspoon of mint leaves, a tablespoon of black tea, quarter cup of lemon juice. If honey is not available, you can use sugar according to your taste, some ice cubes, lemon slices or wedges, and some mint leaves for garnishing. The garnishing items are totally optional. So let's start making it. Add 3 cups of water to a pan. When the water boils, turn off the heat. To the boiling water, you add 1 tablespoon of black tea or 3 tea bags, along with 1 teaspoon of dried or fresh mint leaves. Stir and let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes. Then let's strain it. Cool the tea and bring it to room temperature. To this, we'll add quarter cup of lemon juice. Add half a cup of honey or sugar according to your taste. Add some ice cubes and serve chilled with some lemon slices. Hope you liked the recipe. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.